Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Logitech Astro A50 X headphones and I'm going to show you always to charge your headphones. So the first way is that you can charge your phone using just an adapter and USB Type-C cable. If you plug this USB Type-C cable which is plugged into a power adapter, your headphones will be charging. And apart from that, you can charge your headphones using this station, dock, whatever you call that, with this thing over here. As you can see, if this is plugged into our power connector, power adapter, we can now place our headphones on it. And as you can see over here, they are now charging. And apart from that, we can charge our headphones using our phone. To do so, we have to prepare ourselves a USB Type-C to C cable, plug this cable straight into our charging port, and the second part to our phone. And our headphones are now charging too. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.